What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request today from Dave. What up, Dave? He has requested Rem, an anime character. So he's taken a break from Dead by Daylight and decided to request something different. So Rem from ReZero. In her demon form. He sent me this picture of her sort of lunging forward. So let's give this a go. I'm on a landscape page, pencil and an eraser. And hit pause if I go too fast. So character in a dynamic pose, we got a hand in front. So we might go face, then do hand and sort of attach things to the body. Okay. So, right. Let's go. Center point of my page is here. Am I recording? I hope I'm recording. Sometimes I don't hit record and draw a whole picture and it's devastating. So I gotta make sure. Yeah. Center point here. Pencil eraser, all that good stuff. So we're about along this horizontal line. Her head is like slightly right of center, but say here we'll come across and we will curve. It's like a letter C, kind of her eyes. She's one of these big eyes, big crazy eyes. Watch season 1 of ReZero, pretty good. Haven't watched season 2 yet, it's on my list. Yeah, love the first season. Right, so this sort of curved line, you gotta thicken up and add eyelashes. So we'll just like go around. Just adding some extra thickness. Right, like so. Maybe like an eyelash going that way. One going up here. And then another one here. Like that. Yeah. And she doesn't have a bottom eyelash line, which is interesting. She just seems to have these little sort of dots there for eyelashes on the bottom. And then her iris, an oval shape, not a circle. So move it around like this. With an oval shape for the pupil. Excuse me. Like so. So eyelid line, just here. And she has like some stress lines around her eye done with shadow. What you can do is kind of just add them with black line if you want. And then she's got quite small eyebrows. So one curved line going that way. And then this goes back like that. And that's her eye. That's the only eye we can see apart from like this glowing light that's underneath her fringe, right? So her other eye is like hidden over here. So can't see her nose either. It's like just like a little line somewhere, like in the center. It's just like a little dash sort of thing like this. Kind of like My Hero Academia or something. Just and she got this big evil smile. So it goes like around like this. And there's a bit of a gap, and then you just do the other side. It's a big, creepy sort of smile like this. Her mouth is kind of open and we can see some teeth. So you go across the middle, you leave another gap. They love their less lines in this. And then teeth. So it just comes across. Like so. Just they draw in the canines and then we go across there. Then her chin, it's kind of pointy. That way. And then we'll go. Yep. This one goes up further because she's more hair on this side. Okay, so now for all that hair. So let's go. right? So we got a part in her hair just above this eye, right? So it goes like this way and then this way down towards the nose. And then we have a spike that comes in onto her face and back up. And then square-ended hair, so little ends like this, kind of like, who's it like? It reminds me of, oh yeah, Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. These sort of square ends. This way and up. The square ends aren't actually drawn in, but I'm drawing them in because I think we need to see them. But I could be wrong, but it could just be me. I think they need them anyway. And then we've more going this way. Eventually these will go all the way up behind her head, okay? And we'll do some this side. So like here, square one. Some small ones. And then we start to go around. Like this. Now, I'm going to actually search for a different image because we can't see the top of her head. I wonder what it looks like. Rem 30. Yeah, well, it's kind of just round, looks like. Okay, that makes it kind of easier. So this will eventually go the whole way around. We just need to add some more hair on this side. And the little one sticking off here. And then this, it looks like, just goes around the top here. Like that. And then she has a hair clip sort of going across her hair. How big is this? I can only see a little bit of it, but we'll go, I think it's longer, it should be. I'll go to there. And then this side goes across this way. And then some like hair spikes here. Then of course that horn that's glowing just here in the center, right? So just above her eyebrow, we'll put it here, and then it'll go how far? Not too far. We'll go here, right? And then this side goes down. We'll give it a line in the middle. It's glowing, so if you're coloring, you can't really see that line, but I'll put it in that way. And then our other eye, so we can just see like the bottom eyelid and then this like glowing red circle. Ooh, creepy. And it's all black, like inside here. She does seem to have some blood on her face, so you could draw in some sections and then color them red if you want. Okay, so body, arms, and stuff. So she's lunging forward, so there's a big hand right here, just down from her face. So I'll do that first, and then we'll kind of connect it up and then do the arm that goes back this way. So say finger, right? So knuckle and finger. So come in this way. And then it kind of goes around. They're drawn very simply. There's no wrinkles and bumps and stuff. But hands are tricky to get in the right position anyway, no matter how detailed they are. So take your time. And then fingernail here. And then the next finger curves out again. This one, and it's so big it'll go off my page right? So we'll go down about there. And then this knuckle will go back, and even another knuckle, and then this knuckle will go off my page. You can see some of that finger in there, and then bottom of this finger in here. And then the next finger goes down that way, and this goes that way. Like so. And then thumb is kind of sticking out here. Maybe like some wrinkles and things going that way. So this goes out to her elbow and back into her shoulder up here. And she's got these big frilly sleeves. So coming from the knuckle, you're going to just bump and go around for the sleeve, right? And then her wrist here. Maybe we should see a bit of the wrist here somewhere, maybe. And then we will go this way towards the elbow. And the elbow will come this way, right? Stick off, go off my page. Give more room, that just comes to a little point, and then it comes back in this way. And we've got these fold lines for her shoulder and her clothing sitting on her shoulder, so it's bumpy, it's not straight. And she seems to have, yeah, here, her costume, if you watch the show, you'll know it has all these frilly parts. It's like a maid's outfit. And then this is white, and there's a white stripe going that way. Another fold here. And then her arm goes in underneath like another frill section, right? But so we got like, see, this sleeve is quite big, right? So it goes around her fingers here. So that's like all her sleeve. And then this frill goes in behind her head down here, and then her arm will go in there. So a bit tricky, but we can do it. And this frill will go down that way. And she's another one that's around her neck, right? So this bumping, sort of frilling thing goes around. And then this goes down to here. This is like a ribbon that's tied just on the front of her neck like this. It comes down the center, like so. And then we have some lines coming around here. So this must be like a neckline or something. And some necklines in the middle. And then a ring. Curved line that goes around like that, and then down around here. Like so. And we got like some more. So she's leaning forward, so her chest is like here. What are we looking at there? So it's her chest and then her dress. Am I right? Gotta brighten this up. Yeah, it's like dress. There's like a ribbon. Okay, so we got like some more frills here, right? So like for the top of her sort of dress on her chest. So it's kind of sitting on her chest here. Round to there, and then this comes underneath, right, like that way, and then we go down underneath the finger, right? And so got like the side of her chest here in the middle, just there, and there's just dark shadow in there. Okay. That goes there. And then a black strap here. More frill and stuff on this side. But there seems to be another ribbon. I think here. Like that. And then lines like so. Line down that way. And then it's all just black dress down here with some white lines. Okay, so more frill. Come around here. And then that does not make sense. What is that? Is that her? Okay. Is that her arm? It looks like it's disconnected. My question, is her arm cut off? I can't remember. Did she get her arm cut off? Okay. So I can't see it because it's like under chain. Okay, let's just guess this now. So I'm guessing this is like her shoulder here. And then there's like a frill there. But then she just has like a big sleeve or something going this way. All up here. If we go off my page, goes around. There's got some frill on top. Like something else up here. And there's like a white. Section like that. And then some more of her dress and all the fabric that's flowing off it down here. So going up this way. Again, some white lines on it. Like so. And but I think that's everything. So pretty complicated down here. I hope it wasn't too complicated, but thanks for the request, Dave, and thank you very much for your continued support on Patreon. You the man. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.